So in this video, I'm going to show you how I can create this type of dashboard in the Bolt.new. I have created this dashboard for one of my clients, and actually the client requested me to create a Twitch dashboard where these tweets were but these tweets will need to be shown on this page by the backend. So basically we are scrapping these tweets in the Python backend and then we need to show there. But I try to code this type of design in my application, but that was looking so absurd, so I tried to use the AI. And then after that I posted my details here in the Bolt.new, and after that it created this modern and responsive design for me here. So you can see, if I click on like mobile view, you can see this is 100% responsive and this is looking modern because I asked the Bolt.new to use the tailwind for the front end. So let's do it how you can create this type of design or dashboard for your application in just 2 to 3 minutes. So if I show you the Bolt.new code, so here is the code it created for me. So everything is in line, and it is using the components. It's also using some buttons, styles, and everything else you can see here. So first of all, what I did, I just I just written this like create a tailwind modern design for my tweet listing page. I need tweet content, tweet ID, tweet sentiment, author, and post ID. That's it. After that, it executed the command and it created some project here in the code preview, and you can see here is the project. And if I go to the tweets file, you can see the complete code view here. This is tweet card, this is tweet card, this is navbar, and everything here is very properly managed. Okay, so after that it created this type of project and I was able to see this project like this. So it created this beautiful dashboard for me. There was in first command there was no buttons like this view, edit, and delete. But after that I asked this, and the second problem, there was only 3 tweets. So I sent another command to make the 10 tweets cards, and also I asked him to add the buttons like edit, view, and delete. And after few seconds it sent me uh, the commands again, and it executed everything, and I was be able to see the modified design automatically in the preview section. So I could see that like there were 3 buttons. Even if I click on some button, it will show me the pop-up like it's deleting the specific tweet, it's deleting the specific tweet of ID2. And if I click on view, it will show like viewing delete 6. So this is the tweet 6. Even I did not ask him to code the buttons actions on trigger or click, but it coded it as well. And after that I asked it to add the navbar, and it added the navbar because there are no other pages, so it added no other link. But this is looking very well. If I show you in the full mode, so you can see it's looking very well. Everything is properly aligned, and everything is looking great because it's using Tailwind. It also shown the badges here like positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. And it also showing me, for now it's showing me static content, but later I can create my Python backend API to send these Twitch data to this front end with the help of React. And if you want to code with Bolt.new, you can sign up on Bolt.new, and you can obviously try your own commands to save your time and to save your recording work. And you can obviously try the designing apps in this specific application. So you can obviously access it. It's totally free. For some features it will ask you to update the subscription, but for the learning purpose and for your own application designing, you can use it for free. So that's for this video. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.